Hey everyone, the Coros Apex 4 marks a significant advancement in the brand's line of outdoor-focused smartwatches, blending rugged durability with intelligent design for athletes, climbers, and outdoor explorers. Officially launched in China and available globally, it comes in two variants, 42 and 46 millimeters, priced at 2,699 yuan and 2,969 yuan respectively. Both models are crafted to handle extreme outdoor conditions while maintaining a sleek, professional appearance suitable for everyday wear. Coros has built the Apex 4 with a clear emphasis on resilience and premium materials. The body features a Grade 5 titanium alloy bezel that ensures high resistance to scratches and impacts, while sapphire crystal glass covers the display, offering exceptional protection against abrasions. These materials not only provide excellent toughness, but also contribute to a high-end aesthetic. The display quality has also seen a major upgrade. Both models utilize a third-generation memory and pixel display, which remains easily readable even in harsh sunlight, a crucial feature for outdoor use. The smaller 42mm Apex 4 features a 1.2-inch screen with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels, while the 46mm variant sports a slightly larger 1.3-inch display with a 260 by 260 resolution. Although not as vivid as AMOLED panels, the MIP technology is far superior in power efficiency and outdoor visibility, aligning perfectly with the watch's intended purpose. Coros has focused heavily on navigation and precision tracking capabilities. The Apex 4 supports a broad range of satellite systems, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, and QZ's SS, while also introducing dual-frequency positioning for improved accuracy. This is particularly beneficial for adventurers navigating dense forests, mountainous terrain, or deep canyons where traditional GPS signals often struggle. To complement this, the smartwatch includes an array of sensors: a thermometer, gyroscope, compass, heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, and a high-precision barometer. These tools provide detailed environmental and physiological data, giving users a comprehensive picture of their performance and surroundings. Battery life remains one of the Coros Apex 4's strongest features. The larger 46mm model can last up to 24 days on standard use, 65 hours in full GPS tracking mode, and an impressive 41 hours in dual-frequency high-precision mode. The 42mm version delivers slightly shorter, but still remarkable endurance. Up to 15 days of daily use, 41 hours in regular GPS, and 26 hours in dual-frequency operation. Both models can fully recharge in under 2 hours via magnetic charging and come equipped with 32 gigs of onboard storage, allowing users to store offline maps and music without needing a smartphone connection. Another highlight of the Apex 4 is its integration with external devices. It supports control over popular action cameras such as GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 directly from the watch interface, which is particularly useful for athletes or adventurers who film their outdoor experiences. The Coros Apex 4 series strikes an excellent balance between endurance, precision, and usability. It retains the brand's commitment to practicality and toughness, while introducing meaningful technological upgrades that bring it closer to premium competitors like Garmin's Fenix line. Whether scaling high peaks, running ultramarathons, or embarking on week-long hikes, the Apex 4 delivers reliable tracking, robust performance, and long-lasting durability in a refined package that appeals to both professional athletes and dedicated outdoor enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.